So here is the Trane XE1000. What the hell was that? Hello? Hello, hello? I'm not gonna... scared the shit out of me. Excuse me. Yep, Trane XE1000. High efficiency air conditioner, straight cool. It just got really quiet. It's got a Bristol. Not Bristol. It's got a climate tough reciprocating compressor. It's an old unit. I have never seen it run before. It's from 97. It's from 1997. It's a 43,000 BTU according to the model number. According to the model number, it's 43,000 BTUs. Made in the U.S. of Canada, I think. This is Canada. There's the disconnect box. It's locked. I think that's my dad. Not sure. No, that's my dad. I think that's my dad. Yeah, that's my dad. There's some creepy noises over here. It just got quiet again. That is really creepy, man. I don't feel safe out here, but doing this for an air conditioner video. There's that noise again. Good old spiny fin coils. Ooh, yeah, that's clogged. GE fan motor. Here's the compressor. I don't think it's run in a while. I like to call these blades temp star blades. I don't know, I just do. These little pod things. Sorry, it's kind of a little late. I'm kind of uploading videos right now as I'm making this video. It's dark out, so I need to use the flash, which is very creepy for me. Oh, that's the electrical control panel. This thing is clogged, man. There's a suction line. Little king valves. Well, not king valves, but they're valves. I mean, they installed it backwards, but overall, this is actually a really nice install. They did not secure this. I bet the better idea was to secure this to the wall there, and then you know, secure this to the line set. But I don't know. I don't think it's run in a while. Yeah, it's not running. There's the low voltage thermostat wires. Oh, excuse me, man. I wish I never. Oh, that's life. Gold spine fin coils. High efficiency. Not high efficiency anymore, that's for sure. Look how dirty this thing is. Good cleaning. Ah! Better. Train. Almighty train. Can't stop a train, y'all. Can't stop a train. I'll upload the rest of the videos when I get home. I still have some from earlier today. So, you know, I'm kind of backed up. Doing other videos and stuff. And going places. I'm at my dad's AA meeting right now. I just saw the video of the York. Not yet. But I'm just going to say that anyways, because you're going to. It is very dark out. And it is about 8:26 p.m. These noises, man, they're tripping me out, man. Halloween's coming. Halloween is coming, so I don't know. Maybe it... I don't know if it has refrigerant or not. It might. There's part of the spine fins. This is where they'd usually put those true suction things. Let me see if it actually... Oh, this is loose. I wonder if it's leaking. I saw I think it was an alder root. Oh yeah, it has refrigerant. Got some of the liquid on me. And the suction line. I don't know if you saw that, the vapor, or not. Yeah, there it is. You can't see it because of the flash. There it is. Mighty trane. Smells interesting. R22. Nothing too special. Let me see if we can even get this cap back in. I don't know if you guys heard at the start of the video. I'm sure you did. Something fell behind there. I think it's a person trying to get me. I almost said a bad thing. Fail. 6 pounds. What the hell? I better get out of here because I don't know. Damn, my finger kind of hurts now. Refrigerant is charged with nitrogen, so it's gonna get cold, man. I think I froze myself a little bit touching that. But yeah, there's the trane. XC1000. Mighty trane. Oh yeah. Nixo, mama. Nixo. And you can see the dust in here. I'm gonna get the hell out of here right now. Alright, there you guys go.